Alright, so today we're going to be making glow stick lightning bugs. So you need some glow sticks, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, and some things to decorate them with, and glue. And paper for the wings. So the first thing we're going to do is take our glow sticks and break them up so they get all shiny. And then once you've done that, you can stick them in your bottle. You might need to bend them to get them in there. Alright, so next you're going to take your googly eyes, and they can be any shape or size you want, and glue them on your cap. Just like that. And then we're going to put them over there to dry. And you can take your pipe cleaners and you're going to make your antennas, but you're probably going to want to wait for your antennas until you put the cap on. So you can make your legs by putting them around and twisting them. And we have 3 because most insects have 6 legs. So once they're all done, then you can take your cap and screw it on. You might need to adjust your googly eyes to make sure that they're facing forward. And then you can take your antennas and screw them on to the head. And I picked Valentine's Day colors because it's close to Valentine's Day. And then you can take your glue and you can put a little line on each side to add your wings. And then once you have all of that done, you can start adding the decorations. So I'm going to add some sequins to mine to give it a little something else. Once you have all of those done, then you can turn off the lights to see it glow in the dark. And it'll glow just like that. Yeah.